These are planetoids. Now, after the Big Bang occurred and the solar system was created, these were floating around for millions of years, which the Earth started as planetoids, and as 10, scientists believe that there were 10 planetoids that crashed into each other and morphed and formed the Earth. Now, the 10th was called Theia, which was pretty much the size, a little bit bigger than our moon. And it hit so hard that it mostly remained intact, but some of it went flying off, but got caught in Earth's gravitational pull, which a lot of scientists believe is how the moon was created. Now, because of the force, the Earth was spiraled into a magma and just lava-ridden state of the planet. It was so hot and so just raw with heat. And over time, it cooled off. Now, this is about when life started to be created, because cyanobacteria began to kind of form on the rocks as a part of primary succession to make new ecosystems. And these bacteria would filter high amounts of oxygen in the atmosphere and the sunlight and a couple of other things, and it would condense everything into water. And this is pretty crazy, but they also used all of those same things to do photosynthesis, which is the first sign of life on Earth. And because of the water and the photosynthesis and the creating of energy, more organisms were able to form with flesh-like characteristics, or they were able to form in the water and later on land too. Now, ever since then, the world evolved, and, well, Pangaea was created millions of years ago when the continents formed, the land that was left over from when the magma state cooled. The land that was left over from that made Pangaea. Now, this is what our continents today look like millions of years ago, and you can see it's labeled, all the countries and the continents. Brazil barely moved, but Russia is now like over here, and it's kind of like shaped, and it's moved a lot. And this is because of the plate tectonics theory, which scientists believe is that these continents are floating on plates on top of the magma under the Earth's surface, which the Earth's surface consists of the mantle, the outer core, and the inner core. The mantle is a dense, churning, magma-like substance, and the outer core is also a even more dense magma-like substance, but the inner core is solid. And now in the outer core and the inner core, it's made of iron, magnesium, silicone, a bunch of different things, but those are just part of it. And the plate tectonics theory is that these plates are constantly being moved by the magma and the churning of the molten. And over time, this is what happened. And this is our planet now, with all of the different continents: South America, North America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, all of it. And this is the same land from Pangaea. It just moved from the plate tectonics, and that's how the Earth was formed today. And it was a very long and complicated process with a lot of different states, but it just goes to show you that everything we do affects what our Earth will look like later. So that's the stages of the Earth.